Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because today we are going to be starting a brand new series here on my channel that is all about makeup for beginners. So I'm going to be touching on all the ins and outs, everything that you guys need to know, trying to make it as simple and as easy to follow as I possibly can. Today we are going to be covering skincare, but more specifically, we're going to get into products in my next video. More specifically today, what we're going to go over are little things that you can add to your routine that will help improve the overall health and look of your skin. With that being said, I just want to throw a little disclaimer out there. I am not a dermatologist, nor am I an esthetician. I can only give you guys all the information that I have acquired over my years in the beauty community industry, all that fun stuff. I can only share what I know with you guys. Another disclaimer is that if you guys are doing your makeup every single day and you already have a set regimen with your beauty, everything, makeup, skincare, these videos in this series, they might be a little bit slow for you. I'm never gonna discourage anyone to watch my channel because you never know, I might say something that you guys aren't aware of, but it might be a lot of stuff that you already know. This is really going to be geared towards beginners. One thing I forgot to mention in the intro, first thing is, you might be thinking to yourself, girl, why would I listen to you when your skin in your last video looked absolutely atrocious? I know, okay? I know that. You guys know that. I know that. But there's just a week in the month where I cannot control my skin. It's hormonal, and I know that you guys are picking up what I'm putting down, so that's it. Like, I can't control my skin. My skin sucks. But normally, I have decent skin. Like, I don't have crazy breakouts or anything, luckily. Second thing is, you guys will please have to forgive me. This is my second YouTube video, so I am getting used to speaking on camera. So if I sound awkward or anything at all, you know what? Please let me know in the comments, guys, what I could be doing better, because I would love to hear some constructive criticism from you guys. I want to make sure that you are getting the best possible content on my videos that you possibly can, and I really appreciate all of your feedback. So now that I've said that, let's start. All right, guys, so the first thing I want to talk to you about today is how important what you choose to put into your body is for your skin. So basic rule, I think everyone pretty much knows this one. Drinking water improves your skin, yada, yada, yada. We're not gonna touch so much on that. What we're gonna be touching on is what foods are really great to put into your body. So the first thing is healthy fats. So avocado, nuts are really good. Fish, all that really great stuff actually protects the layer of skin, the layer on your skin that holds in moisture and water on your skin. So you really want to make sure that you're doing your best job to give your skin everything it needs to do its best job for you. More foods that you want to try are salmon is a really great fish. You want to eat vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts. You want to be eating, I have my little list here, spinach, oranges. Eggs are really high in vitamin A, which vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C are all extremely good for your skin. You want to be choosing foods that are rich in those three vitamins. It's really going to help with the overall not only look but health of your skin. Your skin does a lot for you. The next thing I want to bring up to you guys is the importance of cleansing your face, not over cleansing your face, but cleansing your face. Depending on your skin type, you want to be washing your face once or twice a day. Twice is plenty. You definitely do not want to over wash your face because that can strip your skin of natural oils and lipids that it needs. Same thing with overwashing your hair. You don't want to really dry it out. You want it to be able to still do its job. You know, your skin is pretty smart. It can self-regulate. So you don't want to disrupt that too much. However, you do want to be cleaning off all of the pollution, all of the dirt, all of the dead skin cells that you acquire throughout the day on your face. You do want to be getting those off. Also, when you are wearing makeup, you do want to be doing a double cleanse. So the first time is really to get that layer of makeup off. The second time is to get rid of all of those bad things that I just mentioned. So it's really important that you're cleansing your face properly. In my next video, we're going to be getting into products, but just please be aware, guys, that a lot of cleansers can be very harsh on your skin and can really strip away all that good stuff that it needs to keep itself healthy. So you want to make sure that you're choosing the right cleanser for you and that it's not going to be too harsh. We're going to cover that in my next video. The last little tip and trick that I want to give to you guys is something that is really overlooked, and when you think about it, it makes a ton of sense. So your mattress over time, it accumulates, I think, I don't know, 8 or 9 pounds in dead skin cells and dirt and just grimy disgustingness throughout the course of its life. It happens to every mattress. I think that those are the poundage numbers. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, so the same thing, like what do we think is happening on our pillowcases that we spend hopefully 8 hours a night on? Probably less. If you have an adult schedule, like, so sad. So sad that I have to say that. I want to sleep 8 hours a night. Anyway, moving on from that. This right now is because I did not get 8 hours. Anyway, so your pillowcases and your pillows, what they do is they collect any dirt, any oil, all the dead skin that is falling off of your face throughout the night. And we really don't want to be drowning our skin in that. So changing your pillowcases at least once a week is going to be really, really great to improve the quality of your skin. And not only that, but girl, who does not love jumping into fresh sheets? I know I do. It's wonderful, all crisp and fresh and cold and nice. So that's really going to help you. Something that really people don't think about too often, and you don't have to go crazy with this. I'm not saying, you know, change your sheets every day, every other day. That's so excessive, but you do want to be doing this once a week. Another thing that is so important to keep clean is your skincare products themselves. So you want to be washing those bottles around once a week. Again, when you think about it, you don't want to ever touch your face without washing your hands. So you want to wash your hands before cleansing, but what's the point of washing your hands, right? If you're gonna wash your hands, touch a nasty ass skincare bottle, and then touch your face. Like, it doesn't make sense. It really just, it doesn't make any sense at all. Not only that, but the majority of people, including myself, keep their skincare products in the bathroom. And if you guys think, how much bacteria and germs are in people's bathrooms? It ain't pretty, girlfriend. You need to wash your skincare bottles. And you know, the bottles is really what protects the product from all of those germs and all of that bacteria that's accumulating in your bathroom. So you want to really take care of those products because they are trying their best to take care of you and your face. If you guys do try these tips and they work for you, please let me know in the comments below. If they don't work for you, also let me know, because I'm all about improving my content. So I want to make sure that you guys are getting the best information that I can possibly give to you. Last thing I want to say, guys, is I am so overwhelmed with all the love and support and positivity that I received on my first YouTube video. I cannot tell you how much that means to me, you guys. I mean, I thought I was gonna get like 6 views, no joke, and 4 of them being from me, and 2 of them being from my parents. So thank you guys so much. I hope that you continue to enjoy the content that I put out. I know that I definitely enjoy hanging out with y'all. So with that being said, cannot wait to hang out with you guys next week.